Hello, it's Karina, and welcome to your Tone It Up Mindful Meditation. So during the Love Your Body Challenge, we started doing mindful meditations here together. And it was one of my favorite things during that challenge. And so we're back for Bikini series. Every week there will be a new mindful meditation. I'm really excited because Tone It Up is all about, it's a community of women who are here to live their best lives. And we do that together by motivating each other, by providing each other with the support and the tools that we need to do that and have our best lives. And meditation is a part of that. To me, working the mind and connecting the mind and body is just as important as moving the body. Because just like exercise can reduce stress and anxiety and kind of create a calmness in you, meditation does the same thing. So it's like a double whammy, right? So I'm just really happy that we're doing this again together for 8 weeks. Before you begin your meditation, make sure you find a quiet space that you can practice it, somewhere that you won't be disturbed. It could be your bedroom. Just let everyone in your house know that it's your time just for a few minutes, so let you have your peace and quiet. I also suggest having the cats and the dogs stay out of the room. I know that from experience. They love to come and lay on your lap or play when you're trying to meditate. And I also, to kind of set the mood, I love burning a candle or sage or Palo Santo or something that's really has a really great scent that just makes you calm. Lavender oil on your wrists or eucalyptus if you want to feel energized. And you can either typically lay down or sit up straight. For this one, we're going to sit up straight with our spine really tall. You can do that on the floor. Sometimes you can sit on a meditation pillow, or you can sit on a chair, whatever is comfortable for you. For the Bikini series, I thought it would be really great if we could all start a meditation off with the mantra of love, right? Because all we need is more love for ourselves, love for others that we know and others that we don't know, and just love for the world. So I am actually going to do a guided meditation called Loving Kindness. It's one of my favorite guided meditations that I've done for years. The Loving Kindness meditation was actually created by a researcher at Stanford University, and the research showed that those who did this meditation for 7 days in a row felt more love, more gratitude, and more joy. Sounds good to me. For the next 8 weeks, let's give ourselves permission to release any hesitation or any voice in our head telling us that we can't do something, because we can. And if we do this for 8 weeks, change will become reality. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat with your feet flat on the floor and your spine straight. Now close your eyes. Relax your entire body and keep your eyes closed throughout this entire visualization and bring your awareness inward. Without straining or concentrating, just relax and gently follow these instructions. Now take a deep breath in and exhale that breath out. Now let's receive loving kindness. Keeping your eyes closed, think of a person close to you who loves you very much. It could be someone from the past or the present, someone still in your life or who has passed. It could be a spiritual teacher or a guide. Imagine that person standing on your right side, sending you their love. That person is sending you wishes for your safety, for your well-being, your happiness. Feel the warm wishes and love coming from that person towards you. Now bring to mind that same person or another person who cherishes you deeply. Imagine that person standing on your left side, sending you wishes for your wellness, for your health, and your happiness. Feel the kindness and warmth coming to you from that person. Now imagine that you are surrounded on all sides by all the people who love you and have loved you. Picture all of your friends and loved ones surrounding you. They are sending you wishes for your happiness, well-being, and health. Bask in the warm wishes and love coming from all sides. You are filled and overflowing with warmth and love. Now bring your awareness back to the person standing on your right. Begin to send the love you feel back to that person. You and this person are similar. Just like you, this person wishes to be happy. Send all your love and warm wishes to that person. And repeat the following phrases silently in your mind. May you live with ease. May you be happy. May you be free from pain. May you live with ease. May you be happy. May you be free from pain. May you live with ease. May you be happy. May you be free from pain. Now focus your awareness on the person standing to your left side. Begin to direct the love within you to that person. Send all of your love and warmth to that person. That person and you are alike. And just like you, that person wishes to have a good life. Repeat the following phrases silently. Just as I wish to. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease and happiness. Just as I wish to. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease and happiness. Just as I wish to. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease and happiness. Now picture another person that you love. Perhaps a relative or a friend. This person, like you, wishes to have a happy life. Send warm wishes to that person. And repeat the following phrases silently. May your life be filled with happiness, health, and well-being. May your life be filled with happiness, health, and well-being. May your life be filled with happiness, health, and well-being. Now think of an acquaintance, someone you don't know very well, and toward whom you do not have a particular feeling. You and this person are alike in your wish to have a good life. Send all your wishes for well-being to that person and repeat the following phrases silently. Just as I wish to, may you also live with ease and happiness. Just as I wish to, may you also live with ease and happiness. Just as I wish to, may you also live with ease and happiness. Now bring to mind another acquaintance toward whom you feel neutral. It could be a neighbor or a colleague or someone else that you see around but you don't know very well. But like you, this person wishes to experience joy and well-being in his or her life. Send all your good wishes to that person and repeat the following phrases silently. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be free from all pain. May you be happy. May you be healthy. And may you be free from all pain. May you be happy. May you be healthy. And may you be free from all pain. Now expand your awareness and picture the whole globe in front of you as a little ball. And send warm wishes to all living on this planet who, like you, want to be happy. Just as I wish to you, may you live with ease, happiness, and good health. Just as I wish to you, may you live with ease, happiness, and good health. And just as I wish to, may you live with ease, happiness, and good health. Continue to breathe. Deeply inhale and exhale. Now take a deep breath in and breathe out. Just let it go. And keeping your eyes closed, begin to awaken your body. Move your hands, stretch your neck from side to side. Begin to bring awareness to your surroundings. Notice the state of mind and how you feel after this meditation. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes gently. And may you carry this loving kindness throughout your day and forever. Namaste.